Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the glove box compartment of a Chevy Suburban 2010. It's pretty simple. I was trying to figure out if I can have to move this. These two guys push it in, push it out. But it was simpler than what I actually thought it will be. Just going to show you here. So right under here is the lever right here. Where you open it, you're going to push it in, where it's in like that, and it comes out really easy like this. And it doesn't fall off because it has the hinges right here on this side. And the reason why I was trying to move this because I was looking for some important document that maybe will fall off and fall on the back or something, but it's not possible because it will fall right behind and it will fall on the ground. But that's how easy it is to put back. You just have to push this guy in again and push it back in. And that's pretty simple. Like this lever right here, you just gotta push it up, push in, and that comes off. I'll show you one more time. Just push the glove compartment a little bit, and that will